Could the US dollar, the world's dominant currency, be on the brink of collapse? This is a question that has been causing ripples in the economic world. Today we delve into this topic, examining the earliest warnings to the most recent developments. Starting back in the early 2000s, financial institutions like Bank of America began to voice concerns about the US dollar's future. The United States' burgeoning national debt was a primary worry. However, other factors have since come into play, such as the changing behavior of foreign central banks. Fast forward to the present day, and we see a notable shift towards gold. For years, central banks sold gold, but this trend has taken a sharp U-turn. Now they're stockpiling it, driven by its perceived stability compared to the increasingly volatile dollar. In fact, over the last 6 months, the price of gold has leaped from $1,972 to approximately $2,328. This is a clear indicator of growing distrust in fiat currencies like the US dollar. But it's not just about gold. Foreign banks are also signaling their reduced confidence in the dollar. Many are divesting from the dollar and increasing their gold reserves. Recent legislative actions by the US Congress concerning foreign assets have only added fuel to the fire. The decision to unlock and transfer billions in frozen Russian assets to Ukraine has sparked fears among other nations about the security of their dollar reserves under US jurisdiction. The BRICS nations, namely Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, have also joined the chorus, expressing intentions to reduce their reliance on the US dollar. If Saudi Arabia joins this bloc, it could further undercut the dollar's dominance in global trade. Meanwhile, wealthy individuals and entities are moving away from holding liquid cash in dollars. They're investing in tangible assets like gold, silver, real estate, oil and gas futures, and businesses, assets less likely to lose value if the currency collapses. The picture painted by critics and some economic analysts is not a pretty one. They suggest that if current trends continue, the US could face significant financial challenges, potentially losing its status as a global superpower. Their advice? The US needs to manage its spending and debt levels to prevent a fiscal crisis. In conclusion, while the discourse about the potential collapse of the US dollar is speculative, it's impossible to ignore the concerns arising from shifts in global banking practices, legislative decisions affecting foreign assets, and the increased accumulation of gold by central banks. These factors could be the harbingers of more significant economic shifts. Remember to like and subscribe for more analysis on such crucial topics.